Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this YouTube tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add special effects to your videos using Camtasia Studio. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of colorizing your video, removing green screen and adding certain few special effects that are readily available in Camtasia Studio. If I have to choose a software or an online platform just for the screen recording purpose, I would right away go with PepperCloud in this context, because PepperCloud is an online platform and you don't need an editor or a video editor to edit the videos after you're recording. All the special effects and all the transition effects can be easily added to the clip right after the recording happens. On top of that, after the recording is completed, you can also share it with your colleagues within a few seconds. And for that reason, I highly recommend the PepperCloud to people who are in the corporate field and want to actually share a professional looking video with their colleagues. Now let's jump onto the tutorial and see how you can actually add all of these options and special effects using Camtasia recording to your screen recording videos. In order to add special effects or SFX in your video that you recorded using Camtasia Recorder, all you have to do is open up Camtasia and import the clip to the timeline. I have imported 3 different clips from the internet onto my timeline. These are all royalty-free clips from pexel.com. You can also download the same from there. And using these 3 clips, I'm going to show you how you can add various special effects and video effects to your video using Camtasia editor. So let's get started with the effects. In order to add effects, you have to go to the visual effects panel in the Camtasia editor. Considering the fact that this is just a basic editor not a full-blown video editor, having these 7 visual effects is amazing. In order to add these effects, all you have to do is click and hold and then drag it to the particular clip that you want this special effect to be added. First and foremost, as you can see that I have a black and white video clip, but I don't want it to be black and white. I want it to have a certain color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop this colorize special effect onto this clip, and as you can see, now the clip has turned into a green video clip. I can actually change the color from green to something else that I want. Let's say that I want it to have this particular color, and I can also decrease the amount. Also, I can actually make sure to add the ease in effect and set the timer to 0.4 seconds. All it does is when you actually go to this particular clip, the effect, the colorize effect is eased in instead of like dropping all of a sudden. Unfortunately, you can only add one color to this clip. If you want to add more color, there is no other way to do that, but that's just expected from a Camtasia recorder editor because it is just a basic editor for screen recording editing. Now let's talk about this color adjust special effects. I'm going to adjust the color of this last clip that I added onto my timeline. I'm going to drop this color adjust special effect onto this clip, and as you can see, the color adjust has been added here. Although it is a colorful video, but it is still being shown in the black and white format, and that's because the saturation is dialed down to pretty much 0. So I'm gonna bring the saturation back up and bring up the contrast and reduce the brightness. Now the video looks awesome. I can also adjust the color and bring down the brightness even more and increase the contrast to give it a rusty look. That's how you can play with the color adjustment special effect available in this panel. Now you must have heard about green screen, and you must have heard about a lot of people using green screen on their YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to quickly remove green screen in this software. In order to remove green screen, all you have to do is point the timeline, go to the clip that you want the green screen to be removed from, and drag this remove a color option to the screen. The color option special effect has been added to this particular clip. All I have to do is go to this option, the color selector, and select this eyedropper and select the color that I want to eliminate from the clip. As soon as you click on the color, it will actually delete the color from the screen, and now if you place any image over here, it will actually show up as a transparent background, and that's how you can actually remove green screen from any of your video without any complicated settings or process. It is simply funny as to how simple it is to remove green screen from a certain clip in Camtasia. If you were to do that with Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, it would take you at least 5 to 10 minutes to complete this process. For that reason, Camtasia is a good option if you're not a professional video editor and you want to just get rid of an ugly background using green screen. Now let's say that you have a clip that is shot in slow motion, but you want to speed up the clip a bit. How would you do that? Let's say that this is the clip that I want to speed up. As you can see, the clip is shot in slow motion. I will just select this clip in the timeline and press my S key on the keyboard. Now I have a section of the video clip that I can add a speed up option. As you can see in the visual effects panel, we have an option called clip speed. I will just drop this clip speed to the last clip on the timeline. And now if you look at it, the special effects will be added in a bit. After adding this special effect to the timeline, all I have to do is select this clip and go to this properties panel, in which you can see that there is a clip speed option available. I will increase the speed of this clip to maybe 1.5x. That's, I think, yeah, 1.5x, and hit enter. As soon as the 1.5x option is selected, you will see that the speed of the clip is slightly increased. You won't notice a significant change in the speed, but if I increase the speed to 2x, you will see how fast it becomes. Let's change the speed of the clip to 2x. And boom, so the speed of the clip has been changed to 2x. Now if you look at the clip that we added the clip speed to, it will feel like a clip that was normally shot, not shot in the slow motion. That's how you can add various special effects to your clips in Camtasia. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comment section below. Like this video and subscribe to my channel.